What if I told you that the right stock picks today could completely change your financial future by 2025? Join me as I explore the world of stocks and uncover the opportunities that might just make us rich. Investing in stocks can be a thrilling way to grow your wealth, especially if you're looking at the potential for significant returns by 2025. The idea of turning a smart investment into a life-changing sum of money is what draws many of us to the stock market. With the right picks, the right strategy, and a bit of luck, the possibilities seem endless. The key is to stay informed, be patient, and make smart decisions. The world of stocks is vast and complex, but that's what makes it so intriguing. From tech startups to established industry leaders, every company has its own story to tell and its own potential for growth. By 2025, we could see a whole new landscape of market leaders, and being ahead of the curve could make all the difference. Understanding market trends and being able to predict which companies will thrive is crucial. It's not just about picking any stock. It's about choosing the ones that have a solid foundation, innovative ideas, and the drive to succeed. When you find that perfect combination, the rewards can be substantial. The excitement of investing lies in the potential for growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the goal is the same: to find those stocks that will surge in value and help you achieve your financial goals. With a keen eye for opportunity and a deep understanding of the market, you could be on your way to making significant returns by 2025. Many of us face challenges when trying to identify stocks that can lead to substantial wealth. One of the biggest hurdles is market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, with sudden shifts in trends and sentiment. This unpredictability can make it tough to know when to buy or sell. Information overload is another challenge. With so many sources of information available, it can be hard to sift through the noise and find reliable, actionable insights. This can lead to analysis paralysis, where you feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data and struggle to make a decision. Then there's the fear of missing out, or FOMO. When you see others making money on certain stocks, it's natural to feel like you're missing out on an opportunity. But acting on FOMO can lead to impulsive decisions, which might not always be the best for your investment strategy. Market trends can also be a challenge. It's understanding which trends are worth investing in and which are likely to fizzle out can be difficult. You need to stay on top of industry developments and have a sense of which companies are well-positioned to capitalize on emerging trends. Another obstacle is the sheer amount of research required. To make informed investment decisions, you need to dig deep into a company's financials, management team, and competitive position. This can be time-consuming and requires a certain level of expertise. Risk management is also crucial. Investing in stocks always involves some level of risk, and it's essential to have a strategy for managing that risk. This might involve diversifying your portfolio, setting stop-loss orders, or having a clear exit strategy. The performance of individual companies can be a challenge as well. Even with thorough research, there's always a chance that a company will underperform or encounter unexpected setbacks. This can be frustrating, especially if you've invested a significant amount of money. Lastly, there's the emotional aspect of investing. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a rising stock price or to panic when the market dips. Keeping emotions in check and making rational decisions is key to long-term success. The tech sector is one area that's been driving growth in recent years, and it's likely to continue doing so. Companies involved in AI, renewable energy, and cybersecurity are well-positioned for long-term success. These sectors are not only trendy, but also have a strong foundation of demand and innovation. In the renewable energy space, companies like Tesla and Vestas are leading the charge. Their focus on sustainable energy solutions aligns with global trends towards reducing carbon footprints. As governments and consumers become more environmentally conscious, these companies are likely to see significant growth. The AI sector is another area of excitement. Companies like NVIDIA and Alphabet are at the forefront of AI development, with applications ranging from autonomous vehicles to advanced data analytics. Their innovative approaches and strong financials make them compelling investment opportunities. In cybersecurity, companies like Palo Alto Networks and CyberArk are helping businesses protect themselves against increasingly sophisticated threats. As technology advances, the need for robust cybersecurity solutions will only grow. Making these companies attractive investments, The healthcare sector is also worth exploring. With an aging population and a growing focus on healthcare innovation, companies in this space have significant potential. Pharmaceutical companies, like Moderna Therapeutics, and biotech firms like Illumina, are pushing the boundaries of medical research and treatment. Expert opinions and market analysis can provide valuable insights into which stocks are poised for growth. Analysts often have access to detailed financial data and industry trends, which can help identify promising investment opportunities. Market trends can also give us clues about which sectors are likely to thrive. For example, the shift towards remote work has boosted demand for cloud computing services. Benefiting companies like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, company performance is another critical factor. By examining a company's financial health management team and competitive position, you can gain a better understanding of its potential for growth. Economic indicators and global events can also impact stock performance. Keeping an eye on factors like interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical developments can help you make more informed investment decisions. The global economy is constantly evolving, and being able to adapt to these changes is crucial for successful investing. By staying informed and agile, you can position yourself to take advantage of emerging opportunities. Some of the top stock picks that could make us rich by 2025 include companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet. These tech giants have a proven track record of innovation and growth, and they're well positioned to continue leading the market. Another standout is NVIDIA. With its dominance in the AI and gaming sectors, its strong financial performance and innovative approach make it an attractive investment opportunity. In the renewable energy space, companies like Enel Green Power and Rørsted are making significant strides. Their focus on sustainable energy solutions and strong project pipelines position them for long-term success. The healthcare sector also offers some compelling opportunities. Companies like Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer have a strong history of innovation and a solid financial foundation. Recapping the key points, we've discussed the potential for significant returns in the stock market by 2025, as well as the challenges investors face. We've explored specific stocks and sectors that are poised for growth, including tech, renewable energy, and healthcare. Timing is everything in stock investment. Knowing when to buy and sell can make all the difference in maximizing your returns. This requires staying informed about market trends and being able to analyze data effectively. Research is also crucial. By digging deep into a company's financials, management team, and competitive position, you can make more informed investment decisions. Ultimately, investing in stocks requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and patience. By understanding the market, staying informed, and making smart decisions, you can position yourself for success. If you have any questions or comments, please share them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and investment strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.